Hello and welcome in next class of chapter 3, exercise 5E, and topic is division with regrouping. Page number 60 and 61 we done here. Here exercise 5E, find the quotient and remainder and verify the answer. यहाँ quotient and remainder find out करना है, then after verify करना है answer को, ठीक है, with one formula. And here division of 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so first question is 60 divided by 8. How to divide? First understand the parts. Here 60 is dividend. What is 60? It's dividend. And 8 is divisor. And we have to find out quotient and remainder. Okay, so 60 as a dividend, then after here write divisor and here we write quotient. Okay, so divide 6 tens with 8, but it's not divisible because 6 is less than 2 divisors. So move to the ones place and here 60 carried out. Now 8 7 ja 56, and here if you subtract it, that is 4 remaining, and here 0. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 4 and quotient is 7. Okay, move to the next. Here is the next division, 3-digit number division, and 346 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and here we find out quotient and remainder at last. So first divide 3 hundreds, तो hundreds place पे जो हमारा 3 है इसे हम divide करेंगे 2 से. So it, because it is greater than 2 divisor, so it's easily divisible. 1 time 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2, now subtract it and you get 1. Then after write down the tens place number 4 and it's 14. Now divide 14 with 2, 2 7 ja 14, maximum time में ये divide करेगा 14 को 7 times में. Then after 14 minus 14 you got 0, then write off 6 here for the division. Now 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, write down 3 here and 6 here. Now subtract and you got the remainder 0. So here write quotient is equal to 173 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So here I verify the answer. तो कैसे हम वेरीफाई करेंगे कि आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट? तो फॉर वेरिफिकेशन आपको जस्ट आपके सॉल्यूशन के बाद ही करना है. यहाँ पे मैं वेरिफिकेशन आपको सॉल्यूशन के बाद इसलिए बता रही हूँ कि जस्ट आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन, और वेरिफिकेशन के लिए अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर प्रिस्क्राइब है तो ही वेरिफिकेशन करना है. अदर आप रफ साइट में करके आप उसको चेक कर सकते हैं अपना आंसर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द आंसर. फर्स्ट 60 डिवाइड बाई 8 का हमें मिला था, क्वोशिएंट मिला था 7 एंड रिमाइंडर डिफाइन एज 4. ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो 60 डिवाइड बाई 8 था उसमें हमें क्वोशिएंट 7 एंड रिमाइंडर 4 मिला था. एंड हमारा डिविडेंड था, डिविडेंड 60 एंड डिविजर is equal to 8. Okay, and the formula for the verification, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, and we have to find out both side equal in the verification. तो डिविडेंड हमारा वो है already यहाँ given है 60 and divisor, what is divisor here? 8. What is quotient? 7 multiply 7, bracket है, so bracket because first multiply these both number, then after add remainder here. Remainder is 4. So here 60 write down, 8 7 ja 56 plus 4 and you got 60 is equal to 56 plus 4, 60. Means LHS is equal to RHS. LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this answer is correct. Okay. इसी प्रोसेस में आप लोग 1 to 12 होल क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के बाद आपको वेरिफिकेशन करना है. Each verification after each question solution. Okay. Move to here the next topic, division by 10, exercise 5F. Note, for division by 10, that is while dividing by 10, the digit in the ones place is always the remainder. This is the rule of on division by 10. That is while dividing by 10, जब आप 10 से divide कर रहे हैं, the digit in the ones place, जो ones place में जो digit होता है, that is always as carrying as a remainder. How is? See, exercise 5F, question number 1, 75 divided by 10. Okay, so here 75 is dividend and 10 is divisor. Okay, 10 and here 2-digit number 10 and 75 is also 2-digit number. So divide 275 full with 10. 1 here 7, 1 7 just 7 होता है. So 10 से हम लोग 7 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके चेक करेंगे that is lower to 75 or greater to 75. So 10 7 just 70, that is lower than 75. So write it easily and subtract 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 7 0. Okay, so here the 5 as the remainder, 7 as a quotient. So 75 में हमारा ones place पे क्या था 5, that is carrying as the remainder. Okay, तो बहुत easy होता है, जो ones place में होता है वो हमारा remainder हो जाता है. Okay, move to the next question. Here is the question number 8, 950 divided by 10, and you see in dividend ones place is already 0, so what is going there? 950 is dividend, 10 is divisor. Okay, 10 divide to 95 with 9 times as 90 here. 10 into 9, 90. Subtract 90 from 95 and you got here remainder 5. Then after write down these 0 on ones place and here multiply with 5 in 10 and you got 50. Okay, and here 50 minus 50 0. So what is the remainder? 0. And what is the ones place in 950? 0. So remainder is 0 and quotient is 95. See the another question. Question number 9. 565 divided by 10. 565, take it as a dividend. 10 is a divisor. 5 times divide करेंगे 56 को. 10 5 जो 50. 56 minus 50, you got 6. Here write down 5 and this is 65. 65 divide from 10 as 6 times, got 60, because 10 7 is 70, that is greater than to 65. So 10 6 is 60 right here, and subtract 60 from 65 and you got 5 as remainder. And see what is the ones place on in 565? That is 5, and 5 is also a remainder, which is a rule of division by 10. So, and quotient is 56. So as the rule, the ones place digit, take it as a remainder after division by 10. Okay. So here are the some question exercises. Please keep done it in your notebook. Take care.